everyone, and welcome back to Tales from the Green. This is where we tell stories that celebrate the rich and diverse community we have here at Newington Green. I hope you enjoyed last week's Polish tale, The Frog Princess, and this week we have a Bengali tale. So I hope you're ready with your actions and with your singing, because here we go. Once upon a time, a long time ago, there lived an old woman. Her skin was all wrinkly, and she had a crooked back, and she was very, very skinny. She lived all alone with her two dogs, Ravi and Raka, and she loved them so. She always made sure that they had enough to eat, but she didn't make sure that she had enough to eat, which was why she was so skinny. Well, one day she decided to go and see her granddaughter, who lived on the other side of the deep, dark forest. She called her two dogs to her. Ravi, Raka, where are you? Oh, you lovely doggies. Now, listen to me. I'm going away for a bit, and you must guard the house. But remember to come if I call you. Good dogs, bye. And she got her sturdy walking stick and she walked towards the deep, dark forest. Tick, tick, tick. And when she entered the deep, dark forest, all of a sudden, from behind a tree, out jumped a jackal. Old woman, you are weak, and I am strong. You won't be here very long. I believe your time has come. I'll eat you up. Yum, yum, yum. Oh no, said the old woman. No, I am skin and bones, not nice to eat. My granddaughter will fatten me up. Then I'll make a tasty treat. The jackal thought, and he growled, and he licked his sharp teeth. Go and eat. Get round and fat. I'll eat you up when you come back. And he let the old woman go. Phew! Well, on she hobbled through the deep dark forest with her walking stick. Tick, tick, tick. When all of a sudden, from behind a tree, out jumped a huge bear. And he opened his huge jaws, and he raised his huge claws. Ha ha! Old woman, you are weak. I am strong. You won't be here very long. I believe your time has come. I'll eat you up. Yum, yum, yum. The old woman said, oh, no. Look at me, skin and bones, not at all good to eat. My granddaughter is making me food. Then I'll be a yummy treat. The bear thought, and then he growled. Go and eat. Get round and fat. I'll eat you up when you come back. And he let the old woman go. Phew! So on she walked to the edge of the deep dark forest with her walking stick. Tick, tick, tick. And she was just about to emerge from the forest when from behind the last tree out jumped Tiger swished her tail and licked her sharp, sparkling teeth. Old woman, you are weak and I am strong. You won't be here very long. I know for sure your time has come. I'll eat you up. Yum, yum, yum. Oh no, said the little old woman. No, look at me. I'm skin and bones. Not a good thing to eat. My granddaughter, she'll fatten me up, and then I'll be a better treat. Oh, Tiger thought. And she growled. Go and eat. Get round and fat. I'll eat you up when you come back. And Tiger let the old woman go. Phew! She emerged from out of the deep, dark forest, and she saw her granddaughter's house, and she hobbled over, tick, 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 and soon she was safe inside. Oh, grandmother, said her granddaughter, how skinny you look. You must be starving. Sit, and I will cook for you. And then the granddaughter, she started to cook. And the air was filled with the smell of spices and ginger. She made delicious curries of fish and vegetables and lots of rice, plums and tamarinds. And the old woman, she ate and she ate and she ate until she was full and round. And then she had a little nap. When she awoke and she knew it was time to go home, she remembered the animals in the forest. Oh, granddaughter, she said, a tiger and a bear and a jackal. They're all waiting for me. They'll surely eat me up. What shall I do? How do I get home? Well, the granddaughter, she thought. And then she went round the back of the house and she found a huge, big, empty pumpkin shell. And she told her grandmother to climb inside. And she gave her some rice and some snacks to eat on her way home. And then she sealed it up and she rolled it out into the road. And then she gave it a mighty push. Bye, grandmother! Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, whee! And the pumpkin shell, it rolled and it rolled and it rolled down the road. And inside, the grandmother, she ate her rice and she sang a little song. Rolling, rolling all along, eat my rice and sing my song. Rolling, rolling all along, eat my rice and sing my song. Well, the pumpkin, it rolled and it rolled through the deep, dark forest, when all of a sudden, out from a tree, there jumped Tiger. And Tiger saw the pumpkin rolling down the road and heard the little song being sung. Thought Tiger, what a strange singing pumpkin. And she pushed the pumpkin and rolled it further down the road. 1, 2, 3, whee! And the pumpkin rolled and it rolled further through the forest. The little old woman inside, eating her rice and singing her song. Rolling, rolling all along, eating rice and sing my song. Rolling, rolling all along, eating rice and sing my song. Well, as the pumpkin rolled through the deep, dark forest, it rolled and it rolled, and behind another tree, out jumped Bear. He saw the pumpkin rolling, and he heard the song. What a strange singing pumpkin. And he gave the pumpkin a mighty push. 1, 2, 3, whee! And and away the pumpkin rolled through the forest, rolling and rolling as the little old woman sang her song. Rolling, rolling all along, eat my rice and sing my song. Rolling, rolling all along, eat my rice and sing my song. The pumpkin was nearly out of the forest, rolling towards the edge, when all of a sudden, from behind the last tree, out jumped Jackal. He saw the pumpkin rolling towards him, and he heard the song, but Jackal was cleverer than the other two. What kind of a pumpkin sings songs and eats rice? No, 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 no. And he picked up a big stick and he whacked the pumpkin. 1, 2, 3, whack! The pumpkin split open and the little old woman rolled out. Whoa! And there was Jackal looking down at her. Well, 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 old woman, you are weak, and I am strong. You won't be here very long. But just at that moment, the little old woman looked and saw she was nearly home, and she called her 2 dogs. Ravi! Raka! Come, please! The 2 dogs heard the old woman and they came bounding into the forest, and they saw the Jackal and they chased him away. Off into the forest. And then they came running back again. And they licked the old woman all over her face. Oh, my good dogs! Oh, my beloved dogs! Well done, well done! And the 3 of them, they went inside the old woman's house. And from that day on, the granddaughter would come and visit the grandmother and bring her delicious foods, and she cooked them up so that the old woman wasn't skinny anymore. She was strong and she was healthy, and they all lived, as well they should, happily ever after. So I hope you enjoyed that lovely Bengali story, The Old Woman and the Pumpkin. Wasn't it funny the way she rolled all the way home in this pumpkin? And thank goodness those animals didn't eat her up. That's all we have for this week, but we'll be back next week with more Tales from the Green. So it's bye-bye from me, Emily, and see you soon. Bye.